Have you ever looked at a complex invention and wondered how its many parts are clearly explained and identified? In the world of intellectual property, especially patents, clear visual communication is absolutely essential for effectively describing your invention. To number figures in patent drawings correctly, each drawing figure must be numbered sequentially, in order of presentation, and referred to in the specification using Arabic numerals. This means your first drawing will be figure 1, your second figure 2, and so on. Importantly, components within each figure are assigned individual reference characters, usually to digit numbers, which are distinct from the figure numbers themselves. These precise numbering rules exist to ensure absolute clarity and consistency throughout your patent application, which is a fundamental requirement of the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. Consistent numbering helps patent examiners quickly understand your invention, compare it to prior art, and ascertain the scope of your claims. It acts as a clear roadmap through your complex design. When preparing your drawings, begin by assigning a distinct sequential figure number to each overall view you present. For instance, an isometric view would be figure 1, a front view figure 2, and a cross-sectional view could be figure 3. Within each of these figures, identify individual parts, features, or components with separate reference characters that are clearly visible and connected to the part by a lead line. Ensure that any given component, like a housing or a lever, always uses the exact same reference character, for example number 10 or number 25, across all figures where it appears. Never use alphabetic suffixes, such as figure 1A, to designate new figures. Instead, simply create a new distinct figure number. An insider tip for robust applications is to always use a consistent range of reference characters across your drawings. For example, assign numbers from 10 to 19 for components in your first embodiment, and 20 to 29 for a second. Also, remember that the figure number itself, for instance figure 1, should be positioned at the bottom center of the view, not attached to any part of the drawing. These careful conventions ensure that the visual elements directly support your written description, helping you meet the enablement requirement for your invention. By meticulously following these guidelines for numbering your patent figures, you create drawings that are not only compliant with USPTO regulations, but also highly effective in conveying your invention. This precision reduces ambiguity, streamlines the examination process, and ultimately strengthens the legal protection for your innovative work.